Tandoori chicken is one of the best-known dishes of the Indian gastronomy. In the Indian tradition, meats are marinated twice before cooking. The first marinade removes the excess liquid, and the second allows the spices to penetrate the meat. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. I have previously removed the skin from the chicken pieces. Make slits to allow the marinade to penetrate the flesh. On both sides of the thighs and on one side only on the chicken breast. Put them in the mixing bowl for the first marinade. Peel the garlic cloves. Crush them and put them with the chicken. Peel the ginger. Grate it. Take 1 teaspoon and also put it with the chicken. Add 3 tablespoons of lime juice and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all together. Let it rest for 20 minutes in the fridge. Filter to remove the excess liquid. Now make the second marinade. Add 1 good teaspoon of garam masala, the paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 centiliters of oil. The Greek yogurt, it has a thick consistency. Mix all together. Cover, let rest at least 3 hours, ideally overnight in the fridge. The next day, mix and start cooking. The cooking is done in 2 stages. First, brown the chicken in a frying pan over high heat. Put 1 tablespoon of oil and half the butter. Put the chicken pieces. Let them golden 5 minutes of each side. During this time, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Put the chicken pieces in the baking dish. Bake them for 15 minutes for an even cooking. Melt the other half of the butter. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and combine. Take out the chicken pieces of the oven. Sprinkle with butter oil mixture. Also sprinkle them with a pinch of garam masala. Enjoy your tandoori chicken with a salad, rice, and a mint sauce. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.